Okay, so if I want the cross product of these two vectors, the way I do it is with the matrices. Okay, instead of trying to memorize another little formula, and you always start off and put just I, J, K at the top. Okay, and then you're going to put each of the vectors in as rows. So we'll do -2, 3, 5, and then 2, -5, -7. Okay, so keep in mind this is V, right? Okay, and the W is the next row down here. Okay. Now, I want to find the determinant of this matrices. Okay. So when we find the determinant, I'm going to go across the top row. So we're going to have I times, and then it's the determinant of the matrix that is left when you remove the first row and the first column. So I'm just looking at the determinant then of this 2 by 2 matrix that I just accidentally erased. Why did I do that? Okay, I'm going to use a little highlighter thing. So I'm looking at this 2 by 2 matrix right now. Okay, so I took out first row, first column. Okay, and what is left there? The determinant of that would be 3 times -7, okay, minus 5 times -5. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the next. Okay, so I'm going to take then the J. I want to take out that row and that column. Okay, minus J. Okay, and looking at the 2 by 2 matrix formed from these. Okay, so now we're going to do -2 times -7 minus the 5 times the 2. Okay, and then we do the K. Take out the first row and last column, again leaving myself with a 2 by 2 matrix. So I'm going to have plus K, okay, and then that determinant is what, -2 times -5 minus 3 times 2. Okay. Now also note when you're doing this determinant, be careful. It always alternates signs, in this case plus, minus, plus, okay, in between. Okay. So if I simplify those, that's going to be what, -21 plus 25 would be 4. Okay, right? 21, 25, yeah. Okay, minus, and then we'll have 14 minus 10 would be 4J, plus, and then 10 minus 6, 4K. Now, how did that turn out to be? That's just odd that they're all 4s. Okay. See, I'm trying to make sure. 14, yeah, minus 10. 10. 10 minus 6 would be 4. Okay, so the cross product then, right like that, I could do 4, -4, 4. Now, one way to check this, and one of the important things about the cross product, is it is perpendicular to the original vectors. And it should be perpendicular to both. So if I did the dot product with those in this vector, it should be 0. Okay, so if I look at the first one, which is -2, 3, 5, found the dot product of that with 4, -4, 4, that would be -8, okay, minus 12 plus 20, okay, and that does turn out to be 0, and that should always happen, and it should happen with the second one as well. Okay, so just another quick way to verify things to make sure that you've got the correct cross product. Okay, so that's going to be 8 plus 20, all right, minus 28, and that equals 0 as well. And it should happen for both of those. Okay, so my cross product. I hope this helps a little bit.